Hello and welcome. An electronic store has a current inventory of 50 stereo systems. The lowest priced stereo system in the store sells for $800 and the highest priced stereo system sells for $3,000. Which of the following is the maximum amount of 3,000 systems on hand if the current inventory totals $111,000? As you see here, to solve this problem, we underline the important information. And now we're going to translate this into mathematical expressions and have two equations to work with. It says about highest price and lowest price system. So we're going to call H the number of the highest priced system and L the number of lowest priced system. And I know that the total is 50 stereo systems. Now I know the price of each one of them. So if I get $3,000 with the price of the highest priced system and I multiply by the number of systems, I will have 3,008. I will do the same with the lowest system, knowing that each system, the lowest price is 800. So I multiply by the number of lowest systems. And the total of this is also given, is 111,000. There you are. You have two now equations to work with. Okay, so in order to work with these equations, we're going to do by eliminating one of the variables here. And I'm going to choose to eliminate the variable L because it's the lowest number to make it easier for calculation. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by a negative 800. And I'm going to repeat here on down here. So it's going to be negative 800 times 8 is going to be negative 800H minus 800L minus 40,000. What I did here, just multiply the first equation by negative 800. Now I'm going to copy down the second equation just as it is. I'm going to copy down the second equation here, like so. Now I'm able to eliminate one of the variables, adding those two equations. So negative 800 plus 3,000 is going to be 2,200H. Here is going to be 0 as expected, and here is going to be positive 71,000. Very good. So I have 2,200H equals to 71,000. Now I have to isolate H in one side of the equation, and the other side is going to be the result. So let's divide them by 2,200 here and 2,200 as well, the other side, because it's an equation. When I do that, I will have 1, not 0, 1, because it's a division, right? And I'm going to divide this, and if you use the calculator, you're going to have a number, something like this, a decimal number. And you ask, wait a minute, why am I having a decimal number representing the number of the highest priced system? If it is a system, you don't expect decimal number. This is correct. Why? Because you have the highest priced system and the lowest priced system, but also indication that you have the value of the system is between 800 and 3,000. And that's why if you see the question, which of the following the maximum amount of $3,000 systems on hand, because it's a maximum amount. So I can round this number to get If I round this, because here after the decimal point is less than 5, I can just discard and my answer is going to be 32. And 32 is going to be the correct answer. So it's going to be B. Thank you for watching.